This is what I've experienced with the people around me. Not everybody is on the same plane as you. Not saying that you're better than anybody else, but not everybody's on the same mental. And that's okay. But you need to realize that you need to separate yourself. You need to isolate yourself from those people and get around some people who have the same mindset as you. The same type of motivation, the same type of ambition. You need to get around those people. Get around that environment. Make that difficult decision and say, hey, I can't kick it with y'all today. I'm gonna go study with my study group for one of my classes. Hey, y'all can keep the partying right now. I'm gonna go hang out with my work folks, my co-workers. Go ahead and make that tough decision. Make it. It's gonna hurt. You might shed a couple tears. It might tear you up on the inside, but you're gonna be thanking yourself for it in the future. Trust me. I just wanna leave y'all with a quote. A body without challenge is a body without change. A mind without challenge is a mind without change. You without challenge is you without change. You already know the challenges are gonna come your way. What's attached with challenges? Discomfort. You know what's not associated with change? Comfort. Can't be comfortable too much and expect change. Think about that now.